there, kids. It's me, your trusty makeup set. You're probably thinking, what can a makeup set even talk about? Well, buckle up because I've got some hilarious stories and cool facts just for you. Let's start with a fun fact. Did you know makeup has been around for thousands of years? Yup. Even in ancient Egypt, back then, people used crushed gemstones to decorate their faces. Can you imagine walking around with sparkling rocks on your cheeks? Talk about bling. And get this, lipstick wasn't always made the way it is now. Long ago, people used crushed bugs to get that bright red color. Ooh, right? Don't worry, modern lipstick is made with safe and colorful ingredients. But still, can you imagine someone saying, "Let me just put on my bug juice real quick." And let's talk about blush. In the olden days, people would pinch their cheeks to make them look rosy. That's right, just a little pinch before heading out. Thankfully, I've got a built-in blush that doesn't require any pinching. Here's something funny. Did you know people sometimes get really creative with me? One time, someone used a makeup brush to paint a tiny picture of a cat on their eyelid. Imagine blinking and seeing a cat every time. That's some serious talent, don't you think? And speaking of brushes, let me tell you a secret. We love baths. When people clean their brushes with soap and water, it feels like a spa day for us. So relaxing. So, kids, if you ever see a makeup brush lying around, make sure it gets its bubble bath. But makeup isn't just for fancy events or grown-ups. Nope, it's for fun, creativity, and expressing yourself. Did you know some people use makeup to transform into animals, superheroes, or even cartoons? It's like wearing a costume, but for your face. Thanks for hanging out with me today, kids. Keep being creative and have tons of fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.